Hello students, my name is Ibukunluwa and I am representing Brain Boosters Tutorials. You can just call us BBT, Brain Boosters Tutorials. Today we are going to look at mathematics and the topic is precisely for GSS2. The topic for today says expansion of algebraic expressions. Expansion of algebraic expressions. But before we go further, let's look at what algebra is, because many people may not just understand what it means. Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formulas and equations. That is, algebra is simply addition of letters, that is alphabetical letters like A, B, C and co, to numbers, and also quantifying them like ABC and ABCD representing a particular number. So that's the meaning of algebra. So when you now have 6 plus A, that's an algebra. If you have 6A, that's algebra. If you have 10Z, that's algebra. If you have 20Y, that's algebra. So let's look at some examples. Number one, example 1, 5A says 5A. 5A means 5 times A. This star button here means times. 5A means 5 times A. Minus 5A. Minus 5A means minus 5 times A. Minus 5A means minus 5 times A. That's the meaning of minus 5A. Example 1, 5A means 5 times A. Minus 5A means minus 5 times A. M equals to 1 times M. In algebra, that M, this letter M here, does not just mean M alone, it means 1 times M. That's the meaning of the M. Minus M now means minus 1 times M. Minus M means minus 1 times M. Example 2. Let's look at multiplication of all these algebraic expressions. Number 1, 4 times minus 3x. 4 times minus 3x. Open bracket, minus 4, close bracket. Open bracket plus 4, close bracket, times minus 3 times minus 3 in this bracket times x. 4 times open bracket minus 3x is equals to plus 4, this 4 is plus, times open bracket minus 3 close bracket times x. So that's the meaning of this 4 times minus 3x. We're going to collect like times. Like times means a form of separation. Numbers will be put together with numbers, alphabets will be put together with alphabet. That's the meaning of like times. And we should also remember that plus times minus gives us minus. Plus times minus gives us minus. So that means that minus open bracket 4 times 3. 4 and 3 are numbers. Close bracket times x. We've collected like times by putting 4 and 3 in the brackets. And because we said plus times minus gives us minus, this plus 4 times minus 3 plus times minus gives us minus here. So it should now be open bracket 4 times 3 times x, which now gives us 4 times 3 is 12, minus 12 times x, minus 12 times x, and this minus 12 times x means minus 12x. Any number you multiply by any alphabet gives you the number and the alphabet. So minus 12 times x gives us minus 12x. Minus 50 times y gives us minus 50y. Minus 100 times y gives us minus 100y. So for this one now we have minus 12 times x, that gives us minus 12x. Let's move on over to the next example. Example 3 says minus 2y times minus 8y. Minus 2y times minus 8y. So minus 2 in a bracket times y times another bracket again minus 8 times y. So that's the expansion of this of this equation is that this minus 2y means minus 2 in a bracket times y, then times this times in the center here is also the one that we have here, times minus 8 in a bracket, minus 8 in a bracket, minus 8 in a bracket times y. So like we did in the earlier example, we're going to collect like times, and remember that minus times minus is equals to plus. That's the multiplication rule for, when you are multiplying. Minus times minus gives us plus. So minus 2 times minus 8 times y times y. We have two y's, this y and this second y. Minus 2 times minus 8 times y. That gives us minus times minus gives us plus. That gives us plus, open bracket, 2 times 8, open bracket, 2 times 8, close bracket, times y times y. Let me go over it again. Minus 2 in a bracket here times minus 8. So minus 2 times minus 8 times y, because we have two y's, this first y here and this second y. So that's so minus 2 times minus 8 times y, that gives us plus 2 times 8 times y. Let's move over to the answer. 2 times 8 is 16, so plus 16 times y squared. We have y squared because y times y is y squared, x times x is x squared, b times b is b squared, so this one is y squared. So plus 16 times y squared gives us 16y squared. Let's now look at division. If you want to expand an algebraic equation now and want to use division, this is the division rule here too. Minus divided by minus gives us plus, minus divided by plus gives us minus, and plus divided by plus gives us plus. Minus divided by minus gives us plus, minus divided by plus gives us minus, plus divided by plus gives us plus. So let's move over to the example. 18a divided by minus 6. 18a divided by minus 6. That gives us plus 18 times a, 18a, 18 times a divided by, this line here is division, divided by, open bracket, minus 6, close bracket. So this is equals to minus 18 divided by 6. Minus 18 divided by 6. We have done minus 18 divided by 6 because minus divided by minus will give us minus. So minus 18 divided by 6 times a. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So minus 3 times a gives us minus 3a. Minus 3 times a gives us minus 3a. The second example says minus 33x, minus 33x squared divided by minus 3x, minus 33x squared divided by minus 3x. Like we did again, minus 33 times x because we have x squared here, minus 33 times x divided by minus 3, divided by minus 3 times x divided by minus 3 times x, which now gives us plus, minus divided by minus, minus divided by minus will give us plus, plus 33 divided by 3, plus 33 divided by 3, open bracket, close bracket, times x. So plus 33 divided by 3, plus 33 divided by 3 times x, and that gives us 33 divided by 3 is 11. 3 times 11 plus 3. So 33 divided by 3 is 11. So 11 times x now gives us that 11x. 11 times x gives us 11x. This is a classwork, and you still remember this division rule only when you are doing your classwork. So minus 5 times a, 1 to 5. So just make sure you go through it again. Just make sure you go through it again. As you do that, I expect more tutorials from me and my team at Rainbow Stars Tutorials. We always be there to give you more. So stay blessed and just enjoy your day. Bye for now.